This is the Xiaomi 12T Pro, and today we will demonstrate how you can enable the keyboard clipboard on this device. So the first step that you need to take is to launch the keyboard itself, then open the separate dedicated clipboard section that this little icon over here is responsible for. In order to activate the clipboard, you can either switch this toggle on or tap on the turn on the clipboard button. They pretty much do the same function, so whatever, I guess. Then if you would like to remove any of the clipboard elements you have, click on a pencil, select what particular elements you would like to erase, and then tap on a trash bin. If you would like to use any clipboard element, just, well, tap on it and it will be successfully pasted. And, last but not least, if you would like to add any new clipboard element, as you will probably know, but still, just copy something and it will appear as the most recent clipboard unit. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.